got to show you a little project that I was experimenting with this horn speaker, 1920s, early 20s horn speaker. Normally there's a driver, a magnetic driver that sits inside of here, and I'm going to show you the end result first, and then we'll open it back up and look. What I've done is I'm going to hook it up to a radio here and prepare to be amazed by the sound.
I didn't have access to education past my high school education, which was in an all-girls, ultra-Orthodox school. My exposure to secular ideas and people was very, very limited. And you start to...
So the coil was burned out, and it's very difficult to rebuild these coils. I'll show you what one of them looks like. This is the coil that goes inside there, and you can see, I don't even know if you can see the wire, how fine it is. It's hair. It's as thin as very thin hair, frankly. Anyway, these coils were burned out. This is a magnet, and it's set down inside the driver of that horn. So what I did was disassembled the driver. Let me open it up for you. I'm going to pull the horn off of the driver. And here we have a brass driver that the sound comes out of the driver and goes up into the horn. So what I'll do is disassemble the driver and the base, and I'll just take this apart. And there you have it. A little tiny 2-watt transistor radio speaker wired directly in, that replaced the magnetic driver assembly inside this. So I hot glued the battery, the speaker, into the base, and then I just compress that all the way down to the face of the speaker. And there you got it. The sound is all focused. You probably can't see the end of the speaker in there, but the sound is all focused into that one area, but then the horn decompresses the sound. So this is compressed, comes through the neck of the driver, and is decompressed as it comes out the sound. That's why it's so loud when it comes out. If you were to listen to this just without the horn, which we're going to demonstrate in just a second, you will see what I mean. Okay, I've got the radio here. It's plugged into the Zenith Transoceanic, and here's the driver speaker, and we'll just turn on.
Lost.
I try very hard to shut out the voices of people who
Okay, so
are not supporting
we got
and
sound,
children in the journey
but
of
then when you
living a rich
add
full
the
life. I can't say that that affects our day-to-day experience.
That's Javi Weisberger. She left the ultra-Orthodox Hasidic Jewish life and lost her 3 children through first a religious court, then a secular court.
So I don't know whether the compressor on the video is going to make a difference.